All right, so today you are exploring air and the properties of air as it is matter, and how, while it's matter that we cannot see, it still can do a lot of pretty cool stuff like lift objects. So you can go through this paper with the directions on it to experiment yourself with air and how it can lift objects, or you can go through it with me. So you need a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, so that is this big one. You need a heavy book. I have this big Van Gogh book. It's pretty heavy. If you hear it like thump, it's a pretty big thump. And a pencil, a plastic drinking straw. I know we're not supposed to have these, but we had it around my house. Still all about the turtles and not using straws, but sometimes we need it for science. And then tape, and I have my handy tape dispenser. So the directions first say, here I can come down, doing this on the floor. Directions first say to close the Ziploc plastic bag. So it's open, you want to close it, seal it nice and well. It's all sealed. And then place the heavy book on top of it. You want to leave about 2 inches from the bag to stick out from under the book. So that's 2 inches is from where this is. So I'm putting the book like that. So as you can see, there is that kind of gap right here. That's about 2 inches. It doesn't have to be super precise. If you want to get a ruler, you can. Then it says poke a hole in the bag with the pencil. So you want to be very careful that you poke a hole just in one side of the bag. So you can see that I did it right here. I just poked one side. So it didn't go all the way through my bag. There you go. Very, very important. So it's just this little hole right here. Next it says stick the straw in the hole. If you find you didn't make it big enough, you can like squirm it a little bit. And then you stick the straw into it. It's really tricky. There we go. Okay, so it's in there. Then use the tape to seal the hole around the top so no air can escape. So I'm going to seal it right here to make sure that no air can escape. Yeah. All right. Now it says blow into the hole. Hold your tongue over the straw to keep the air from leaking out when you take a breath. What happens? So let's see. I'm going to have to go this way. Okay. So my book is on it. Whoa. And my book. So what did you just notice happened? The book, it came up where my face was, where I was blowing from, and then it slid off. So I'm going to go from this way now so you can see it. I'll let the air out. I'm just going to open the bag, let it out real quick, and seal the bag again. All right, so watch again. So I have my book right here. And now I'm going to blow into it. Ah! Pretty cool. I was able to lift that book. I wonder what other things I can lift. I have this piece of furniture right here. I'm going to see. Let all the air out. And then look. I'm going to bring it over to this leg of the furniture. See what happens. Okay. It popped. I wonder why that happened. What else could I try? There's a bunch of different things that you can try, and I'm curious to hear what you guys find out from what different objects you try. So while the book I was able to lift it with the bag. I wasn't able to lift this big piece of furniture on just that one leg. It popped my bag. I wonder why that is. Think back to Pascal's principle in terms of the amount of space, in terms of air, what it takes up when it's compressed, and how that force can be exerted in different ways. All right, I hope you have fun exploring. Fun note, if you get a bunch of these and put them under a person, you may or may not be able to lift them with just some air. All right, have a great time exploring air and all of its cool properties. Bye.